Hello and welcome again. In this session, we are going to discuss about one very important tool called Go to Special. As the name says, Go to Special, it plays a very special role in Excel. When you have to format something very easily, quickly, then you need this special tool that is Go to Special. Okay, so let's see how this Go to Special work for us. Now, for Go to Special, what we need to do, we need to go to Home tab. Inside Home tab, you can see we have a Find and Select option. Inside this, we have the option of Go to Special. When you click this function, it will open up one small dialog box with this Go to Special. Or else, if you click anywhere, just press Ctrl G. Ctrl G will also open the same Go to and click on Special. Right. So Go to Special. So how this Go to Special work for us? For example, if you can see here, I have the name here, and in these names, I mentioned some comments here. Okay, like lots of half day leave, and there are lots of comments I want. Now, suppose for maybe I put some comments for reporting purpose, or I need to show it to someone. And once my reporting and all these things is done, I need to remove these comments, sorry. So if I have to remove this comment, it will take too much time. So going to cell by cell and then selecting and deleting a comment one by one like this. Okay. So if you keep on doing one by one and assume that we have hundreds of comments, it will take hours to delete those comments. And that's what where the go to special plays a very important role. So first of all, how to use go to special. To use the go to special, select the area where you want to work on. First of all, you have to select the area that where you work. Maybe you can select all also, but generally, as you know, we have applied comments in this column. So I select the entire area. Okay. Then go to home or Control G, go to special, right? Like this, go to special. Here you can see the first option says comments. Comments. Now, if you click on comments, and here I have already selected the area, the range. When you make it okay, it will select only the cell which is having comments. You can see this one. Now, very lots of things you can perform. Like if you right click here or anywhere, you can see there is option of delete comments. If you select it, all the comments are deleted in single click. Okay, like this you can see, select, right click and delete the comments. This is how the go to special help us to delete, to modify, to do something immediately just by a single click. So we can use comments. Next one, if you see again, we have a column where we have a text field, like suppose I write Sam, okay, and then we have number, and then again text, again number, again text. Now, if I need to use that what is text and what is number here, I just arrange it normally. Okay, like Sam, you can say it is text, it is number, it is text, it's a number. If I want to separate text and number separately, not one by one, you remember it cannot be done through filters because we have different number in each and every cells. So again, you can select this entire area, go to Control G, just press Control G, special, and here you can see an option called constant. In constant, it will ask you what you want. If you just select all, then everything will be selected because all are constant. There is no formula. Constant means where there is no formula, those are known as constants. So if you again just go to special, click on a special function, Control G. Now click on constant, and let's say I want to select only text. So I will uncheck everything and select only text, constant and text. When I make it okay, all the text columns are selected. Now simply press Ctrl C and click anywhere and paste Ctrl V. You can see all the text are selected. Similar, I will select again, go to home, go to special, and this time I will select numbers except everything. Only numbers are selected. Now again I press Ctrl C, okay, because we already there was a selection. So again I select all the cells, go to special, okay, select constant, uncheck everything. I just want numbers from this cell. Make it okay. Only numbers are there. Press Ctrl C to copy and come here and paste. Now you have numbers in a separate field and text in a separate field. Okay, so like that you can work on these things. Similar here also you can see we have formulas. Now here I just written 457. Here we have some formulas I written. Here again numbers, here again numbers, here we have some formulas are there. Again formulas, again numbers, formula. Like that we have in the same column, we have some numbers and some formulas are there. So if you see, when I press, some numbers are changing randomly because I use random formulas. So if I want to check which of these are formulas column, which of these is having formulas or something like that, so you can select this option. Okay, again click, go to special or Ctrl G, click on formula, and similar way you can click this one like formula with only numbers. Formula with only numbers. Now it will select only formula with numbers like this. Copy and come back and paste it. You can see these are the formulas with numbers. Sorry, Control Z. So there we have formulas. So I can just simply copy. Okay, I just pasted it as a what we can say as a values only. So select, click on this, go to special formulas and click on this. Okay, click it. Now select Ctrl C, come back and press Ctrl V as a options. Again you go there. Okay, just select all, click on go to special, then go to special and again select, and this time I need only text formula. So it will show me that there are only two text formula. Again I will press Ctrl C and select and paste it anywhere we have text separate. So like that, if it is a constant, then you can separate and work on your data. If there is any formulas, then also you can work on any data. Next one, if suppose you go to blank option, you can see here we have data. There are some blanks. Maybe I have yet to receive the data. I want to write 0 in each and every empty cell. But if I keep on writing 0 one by one, it will take too much time. So select the area where you want to apply. Go to special or Control G. Now here you can see option is blank. Now click on blank. It will select all the blank. Write 0 and press Control E, Control O, E to flash fill. Control not E, Control Enter, sorry. Control Enter and you can see everywhere we have a 0. Okay, like that you can fill it. Okay, all. Similar here also, you can select the area, right? Press Ctrl G, go to special, click it. Now you can select the blank again. So all the blanks are selected. Now if what I want to fill the sales here, admin here, and finance here. Means I want to repeat the value, not by dragging one by one, because if I have to drag one time, it's okay. But you can see in the same column, there are multiple different types of data are there. So what we can do, press equal sign. After selecting this, press equal sign and click on the top cell above it, and press Control Enter again. You can see the sales from here, admin from here, and finance here. And it's not only for, it could work only for one column. It can work for multiple column also. If you see, I will select all together here. If I select all together, right, like this, you can see like this. Press Control G, go to special. Okay, and there also we can select blank. Now make it okay, press equal, select anywhere. Let's say I select sales and write or press Control Enter, and you can see everywhere sales, admin, but all in zone 1, all in zone 2. Like that I can easily fill my data. Even you can see I have selected this one. Okay, press Ctrl G, go to special. Okay, like that. If I select any constant, any formulas, any numbers, okay, like what we have done, you can see like zeros are there. Okay, like zeros are. So if suppose there is no zero, there is nothing, zeros are there. So you can select Control G, special. You can write select blank, make it okay. You can write 0, okay. You can write 0, press Control Enter. You can even give them a border, a color. You can color it. You can give them a font size. You can increase the font together, all together. You can make it bold. So all types of formatting you can do with this Control G function, means with go to special. One more last, you can see we have object. So what is object here? Suppose I'm going to draw a shape. Okay, let's say a shape is here. Okay, and I draw another shape like this, and I draw some more shape like that. Example, plus I'll go to insert from picture stock image, and we want some pictures in our Excel. So I just click it, click it, click it, click. Just 4 or 5 pictures I selected. Now one option you can see, when I have inserted pictures, all the pictures are of same size. I want to resize the picture. I want to select the picture. Okay. So if you want to resize, select all pictures. You can see one by one you have to select. Okay, one by one you have to select all the pictures. Okay, it will take too much time. And that's why even if you press Control A won't work. Control A will not select any images. You can see I will press Control A. I want to delete. The delete button is there, but nothing worked for us. So in this case, what we can do? Again, press go to a special, find and select, go to a special, and here we have a option of object. Any type of images, any type of shapes are known as object. Click on OK. You can say all images are selected together. If you want to resize it, you can resize it like this. See, all are resized together. Okay, now one by when we say resize, means everything will be resized together. Okay, if you want to delete it together, simply press delete and all the images are clear, all the shapes are clear. And this is how your go to special work, like selecting any images, clicking, working on the blank cells, or filling a flash fill on the blank, or working with this status, working with constraint and comments and all these things, right? So this is how the go to special plays a very important role in our formattings in Excel, right? So I hope you like this topic. See you again. Till then, thank you.